Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to insert a picture bullet points in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, I select a picture. Now this picture I insert in bullet points in Microsoft Word. Now I have to open a Microsoft Word document file and take some country names. At first I select the all country name and click the bullet points. Now you go to bullet drop down menu and select define new bullets, select picture, and now we can see some option. We select from a file browse option and select the picture and click insert and click OK. Now check our Word document. Here we can see the picture is inserted in bullet points in Word document. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comment, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.